tuning in to another adult DIY from the Covina Public Library. For May, we have an awesome craft that will be great for your home decor. So, if you want to learn how to make this Bless Our Nest sign, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so for this craft, the first thing you're going to want to get is a wood board. Next, what I'm using here is I'm going to stain the wood. So the color I'm using is red mahogany, but you can use whatever color you'd like. Another suggestion would be sanding the wood first. It catches the paint better that way. So it might take several coats. And when you're done painting it, it should look like this. After you've stained the wood, what you're going to need is the stencil for the Bless Our Nest. So I found mine on Amazon, you can check there as well. It comes in different sizes. And then what I'm doing next is I'm going to be painting in the words. So I'm using blue here. You can use whatever color you like, whatever color you think might pop. But yes, I'm going to use blue for bless and also blue for the word nest. Next, I wanted to contrast the blue, so I went ahead and painted our yellow. Next, what you're going to do is find a bird template online. So I found one online, and then I went ahead and traced it, cut it on cardboard, and also traced it and cut it out on felt. And then here what's happening is the satisfying part of after letting the paint dry, I'm removing the tape and hoping to see that it comes out well. So yeah, suggestion would be definitely taping down your stencil so it's tight and no paint will leak through. And this is how it came out. I thought it came out pretty good. So the next thing, what I'm doing is I'm going ahead and using the hot glue gun to glue the felt bird onto the cardboard bird. And that way it'll pop more on the wood. Next, I found these materials from the library, sort of a wood nest and a wood circle right here. And so what I'm doing is using hot glue again and then adding some grass. But you can find most of these materials at the Dollar Tree as well. Next, I went outside and found some twigs, and I thought, let me just add this here and see how it looks. So you're more than welcome to try and find some twigs around your home and add it to your board. And when you're done, it should look like this. I also went ahead and added some eggs, so if you have any leftover plastic eggs from Easter, I think that made a great touch to the nest. I hope you guys were able to make your own sign and were left absolutely Twitter-pated. So, if you guys enjoyed learning this adult DIY, stay tuned for next month's adult DIY. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for crafting with Chris.